Flu season is ramping up in Virginia. According to the state's health department, as of last week, the Commonwealth is at a very high flu activity level. Nearly 2,900 cases have come back positive since then. In total, the state has seen nearly 6,000 flu infections this season alone. And this comes as there's an alarming flu spike across the country. The CDC says so far this season, there have been nearly 3 million illnesses, 23,000 hospitalizations, and 1,300 deaths from the flu.
So those numbers are nearly doubling from just 1 week ago. Here's ABC with the very latest.
Health officials with an urgent warning about the staggering surge in cases of the flu.
Here we are again, thinking about and planning for a surge that will be really hard for us to absorb over the next couple of months.
The rate of hospitalization for this time of the year, now the highest it has been in a decade. Flu season starting earlier and spiking more dramatically than usual. So far, the CDC reporting 23,000 people have been hospitalized, 1,300 deaths, those numbers nearly doubling since last week. Right now, the South getting hit the hardest, as the flu typically starts in the South and works its way north. But flu is on the rise across the country.
There's a lot of people who think that the increases that are happening now are because there's been a lack of exposure over the last couple of years.
And the wave of flu crashing on top of children's hospitals, already overflowing with young patients sick with other respiratory illnesses like RSV. Pediatric hospital bed occupancy at 78%, the highest level nationwide in 2 years. Kansas City mom Melody cradles her 9-month-old baby Micah, who has been in and out of the hospital for a week fighting the virus.
He was grunting and making a lot of noises when he was breathing, so we knew he was having some trouble.
Doctors expecting a tough holiday season ahead.
Based on what we're seeing, that we're still going to be pretty high levels of transmission around the Thanksgiving holidays.
And Mott Children's Hospital in Ann Arbor, Michigan is reporting that they are at 100% capacity. Officials there urging parents to contact their child's primary care provider before bringing your children to the emergency department. They are also stressing this is particularly alarming because we haven't seen the full impact of the flu season yet. Ariel Reshef, ABC News, New York.